Bad mind them boy, the bad mind, yes, Jane. Big up yourself, yeah. Empress, you know, say me always appreciate you connecting. Now before me leave, family and friend, I want to touch some of the dancehall people them right now and make you know say, yo, it appears that Sting is back again. You are going to go and tell a friend, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Isaiah Laing. Yeah. World-renowned international promoter want to know. Say, look here, Sting is back again and he's going to have giants counting all the way up to 10. We are going to talk about that. Yeah.
Pick up Deep Roots TV every time. Blessings, Rasta Soji, I already know. Bless up.
Oh, you mean? Big up all of my generals them in a deep side. Yeah. And me I want to make you know say, yo, happy Father's Day, and I wish all around. Big up all my daddy up in a foreign area, up in Florida. You know. Yeah, you know, say I love. Big up all my uncle them up in the Bronx. Yeah, well, Isaiah Laing. Yeah, you know, say the Sting promoter that. They must show you say, yo, it not gonna work, you know, that they set up there where them have last year not gonna work. They want to change up that they set up there. They must say the promoter of Sting, Isaiah Laing, said he's going to be focusing this year and making sure that there are veterans that are going to be on the show. Them say him at least a line up 10 giants for the show. Man like Sizzler, Capitan, Bounty, and more. Him say, yo, they have not been booked as yet. But him say, you know what? The original management is going to be on deck. So Sting, the greatest show on earth, Jam Rock said, your Agante is going to be back in Portmore. Your Agante, I want the people them to forward out to Sting this year and make the whole thing bling, bling, bling. Because last year when we see a Sting, a clown show, me no cover nothing pan it because me could not believe. See, at them kind of arms out to the people them put pan Sting. Mean, it look like say Amari and the next girl they come out they just for why. As some joke thing that. Joke thing. Them thing they did for your thing, like a some little game. So, I want to make me know if, you know, Sting is back. If you think say Isaiah Laing can put Sting back on the map. Because him a thought, I say, there's going to be, you know, a real giant of lineup this year. Him say at least 10 of the well-known artists them. So I guess he's Supreme Promotions chairman. He's saying that, you know, Bounty Killer, Beanie, Sizzler, and Capitan, and those giants are amongst, you know, the artists that should be gracing the Boxing Day show this year. An annual event dubbed the greatest night show on earth. It's set at its home base. John Moyle, it reached back a Portmore people saying Catherine, Tuesday, December 26th, according to Laing. Although the dancehall legend have not formally signed their appearance, he's confident that they will be there in all their glory, as he would personally be going for the veterans. We think about 10 of the big names in the dance. Yagante, you don't expect little baby. When we say giant, me I talk about giant. Once we say veteran, we are talking about Beanie, Bounty. And you would have known, say Sizzler and Capitan. Alright, me done. Now I'm go further. He added, when he's pressed for name, him say, yo, 10 giants, man. 10 giants. 10 giants at Sting. And guess what? I'm gonna be doing 5 columns, 2 yes. The younger ones, he added a while later, you know, the famed Bad Boy Police gave the explanation during the interview at Jamaica Star after they asked whether that or not the Supreme Promotion had changed the format that they were using last year. Current artists were booked and veterans were ditched. According to him, it has not yet an idea to, shelve veterans in 2022. It wasn't his idea, but as a decision made by other members of the teams, this time he said that he's taking in command. And he would be going for 10 Giants and Sting. So people let me know when the thing say, the veteran them, I go nice up Sting again. We never ditch the veterans them. At least I never ditch the veteran. Isaiah Laing never did that. But if the team say we are go particular way, I work with it. But I say, change have to be made. I'm going for my veterans, Laing stated. When asked whether that the quarter and telling his name signed yet, him say promoters reply in a negative way because of the amount that they have been asking. Sting cannot come to fruition because of the high value that the artists are asking for. No, they have not yet signed. But this is Sting. This is their culture. So we are going to be, talking very soon, he said. They knew it wasn't me that made the decision last year, he added, laughing. Admitting that, he's passing the buck. In the aftermath of Sting 2022, it aggravated Bounty Killer, and they have lamented that the quality of the show has dissipated and is now subpar and a puppet show. He said the warlord had contended that Sting had flopped and dancehall has been stuck in a barrel and losing its appeal to the world. He had also continued that Jamaica does not take heed and try to fix the problem right now. Soca would be bigger than dancehall. However, the Living Dangerously artist commented, and he did not grow down well with the veteran music selector Foota Hype. Here come this fishhead again, who described the copper shot DJ as being ungrateful to the show that catapulted him into stardom in 1993. In dismissing Bounty's statement, Foota had rebuked the DJ for making negative utterance about Sting, describing his comment as a show of arrogance, ingratitude, while declaring that Bounty's music never threw shade at Sting. Foota, who was Bounty Killer's DJ in 1990 and part of the Alliance outfit, had declared fiercely that no disrespect of Sting ought to be tolerated, as throughout the existence, the show had brought more positive to dancehall artists as opposed to negative, and had enriched them in the process. One of the measure where Sting has done for your career, Sting propel in $1 billion, he added and stated, the whole of them become diva. Now was so Laing weak. Everybody Angler remember whatever bad Laing do for them now remember what good Laing or Sting ever do for them. Yes, Sting creates some bad energy too and some bad vibes, but although the bad vibes wanna still do it, the next year them. So it benefit Uno more than how it hurt Uno, the cassava piece native had added. In furtherance of the rebuke of Bounty, Foota pointed out that the gun-ready artist ought to be one of the biggest supporters of Sting, whether or not he is booked or performed, and that his compatriots Beanie Man, Movado, Cartel, Ninja, Shabarang, Supercat, Capitan, and Sizzler were among those who ought to never ever be disrespectful to Sting. Footer also went on to put out that the versus battle in which Beanie Man and Bounty participate in 2020 was predicted on the clash started by Sting, and therefore Sting placed in Jamaica history ought to not be discounted. However, the Calabar High School old boy had revealed that the proposal regarding the show between Beanie Man and Bounty Killer to versus was also shunned by both DJ. Footer had also disclosed that Sting promoter effort to have a more robust lineup in 2022 show were crippled by greedy veteran DJ who demanded they be paid an exorbitant performance fee, which one artist wanted close to $10 million Jamaican, which is 60,000 US to perform. According to him being caught between a rock and a hard place, Laing and co-promoter Heavy D were forced to draw for mainly a millennia generation of newbies, as they did not have the budget support to meet the demand of the veterans, many of who owe much of their popularity and wealth to Sting. Footer described the wayward veteran as the real agent of destruction of dancehall music, as it stickens to their hefty fees. They have kept grubbing, eating, whining about Supreme Promotions' supposed misdeeds of the past. He urged as well the Laing and Heavy D must not be faulted for contractual and for the contacts of Queenie and Amari to clash in shows, as the act out of desperation as veterans artists had in some case shunned the event and proved unwilling to reduce the fees. He says Sting was in a rebuilding mode and Supreme Promotion could not afford it. Footer said that all of the veteran DJ knew that it was lack of sponsorship which had kept Supreme Promotion from staging Sting over the last 7 years, and as a consequence should have provided the support to the show which in the heyday propelled them to stardom. In the upbringing those of the considered dancehall most influential artists, Footer said that Sting's success was not about Laing, but was about the furtherance of the dancehall culture, as it shows is considered an institution in the genre. Nevertheless, the Dark Knight producer said that the fact that Sting was still held in spite of the lack of support from the veterans was a great triumph for the Supreme Promotion. Again, Fish had to put in his word. Thinking Fish had Footer hype. What are you doing for the dancehall industry? Why you don't produce, promote, and come off a stinking social media because you have a big pull and intel? I am giving you advice. Create a label cause you're there South Florida and get some of them artists here so them can fly out from Jamaica. Jump off a Rasta shirt tail. Come off a social media with your girl fail. Because I Shana run girl left you on there with Scatterbarrel and I make pay money all over the world. your life is living in hell. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here. I'm reporting live. Isaiah Laing. Yeah, the chairman of Supreme Promotions says that he's drawn for 10 solid veterans for the 2023 Sting. I'm Rastafari Soldier here, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. Make me know if that gonna work out. Lava we blazing pan the boy foot a height. Jump off a Rasta fender. The organ T. I'm gonna look at a girl named Brenda. And matter of fact, go take care of your son. Well, look just like you. I'm more life, I'm more joy. Yeah. I know jacket you get, man. Go take care of your youth. Hop off a Rasta shirt tail.
No, beat down the fist. Big up Rastafari.
That's you fail.
You're watching Deep Roots TV.
Yes, you fail.
Boom, bang, bang. Boom, bang, bang. Mad. Mad love, respect, brethren. I mean, man, I love fun people.
Wrong man, you
Tune
try
in to
best
Deep
with.
Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.
Yeah man, big up the Deep Roots TV, Caution Sesame.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youths. Yeah, you're watching Deep Roots. I know you're cute.
Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out to Deep Roots, bro. Shout out to DBTV.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.
Log on to Deep Roots TV.